Hi, I'm Ted, and this is your lesson on Kapalabhati breathing. So, Kapalabhati breathing is an ancient purification technique. So, some people think it's a breathing exercise, and it sort of is a breathing exercise because you're breathing, but it's actually a purification technique. So the idea is that it cleanses your energetic system, and immediately after just a few of these, you'll for sure start to feel a bit more relaxed and a bit calm, and you'll feel the energy moving through your body. So what we're doing is essentially we're engaging the abdomen. So you're going to sit nice and tall. You're going to engage the abdomen like this. As I pull the abdomen in, then I release, and then the lungs fill up, right? So so we're going to do, that's the technique, right? That's how it's going to work. And we're going to do 3 rounds for a minute each. So you're going to do the best you can. You're going to close your eyes. You're going to think about the space in between the skull and the brain. So that's where the skull shining comes in. You want to think about that space. You can use the mudra where you bring your fingers and your thumbs together. And what that does is that encourages the energy up and out. So we have blocked energy in our shoulders and our neck, sometimes in our hips and our spine. But the idea here is to use this technique to unlock some of that, right? So I want you to sit nice and tall. Take a nice big breath. Relax a little bit. I'm going to start my trusty little timer. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the timer now. So you want to just relax and start to begin a good smooth breath. Again, bring the mind to the point in between the skull and the brain. And keep going. You want to find a rhythm that's easy for you. You don't want to feel like you're suffocating. Here, that's a minute. Take a big inhale. And exhale. And just pause for a moment. We take 30 seconds here just to relax and breathe. Make sure your body's relaxed, your shoulders relaxed, your tongue is relaxed, your spine is straight. Just be aware. Be aware of your body. Be aware of the breathing. Be aware of the sensations, right? That's 1 of 3. We're going to do 2 more. And again, just stay aware. Aware of the process of how it's happening. Aware of the changes, right? How you're feeling. It's a little intoxicating, actually. So we're going to go ahead again. Another one. It's about 45 seconds in between each. So gentle inhale. And begin. Ten more seconds. Good, big inhale. Hold it up in the inhale. Hold your body filled with breath. And slowly exhale. And again, just awareness, increasing this awareness of this newfound freedom in your body. Pausing. Noticing the energy, noticing the stillness. If your body's calmed down a little bit, just notice and be aware. We're going to do one more. And again, you'll notice I go sometimes a little faster, sometimes a little slower, and I'm using the technique itself to help me catch my breath. Sometimes I slow down, and then sometimes I feel more comfortable and I speed up. So you do what feels right for you. In your minute, we're going to go again. And this time at the end, we're going to hold in deep, and then we're going to exhale, and we're going to hold, and then we're going to inhale, and we're going to hold. We'll do that 2 or 3 times, and then that'll be it 3 times, just to reset your system. So go ahead and sit up nice and tall. Take a gentle inhale, and begin. Good, big inhale, as deep as you can. Holding that breath in. And slowly exhale. You're going to hold the breath out from here, so just relax, empty of breath. Inhale again deep. Holding that breath in. Exhale, release. Holding the breath out, holding the breath out. Completely relaxed, calm, empty of breath. And one last time, inhale deep. Holding the breath in as deep as you can, hold. Relaxing your body, so not stressed out, not holding in and stressed, but holding in and relaxed. So you can be filled with prana, with life force, at the same time your energy's cleaned and your body's relaxed. Inhale a little deeper if you can. Exhale. And just allow your body to breathe however it needs to breathe. So let's just take 30 seconds here and just allow your body to soften and breathe. Observing the sensations, the energy that's running through your system. Great. Bring the palms together. Take a moment of gratitude. Gratitude for every breath. Namaste. I'm Ted. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you soon.